Hey guys, Nick here from Click and Droid again, and today I have an app review of Toggle Widget for Blur. So basically, this is a port of the Toggle Widget for firmwares 2.0 and up, so now you can use that on the Click. So this isn't on the market, it is on a Google code page, so you're going to have to download it from a site. First of all, you have to sideload this app, which is basically installing an app from an unknown source. So you're going to want to go to Settings, and then Applications, and then at the top you'll see it says unknown sources. Make sure that's checked, and if that's checked, then everything's okay, because if that's not checked, you're not going to be able to install the application. So next thing you want to do is you're going to want to open your browser, and you're going to want to go to tinyurl.com / click widgets. And this will take you to a page where you can download the latest version of the application. So right now, at this current time, the latest version is 1.332. So you just click on the thing there, and it'll start downloading. It shouldn't take that long, it's a small file. So once it's finished downloading, you want to tap on it, and if you're running a ROM that has Download Crunch Lite and Package Installer, it'll come up with this. Just click Package Installer, and just go through this, click Install, and it'll install the app. Alright, so now as you see there, the name of the app is Switches. It has a nice icon, it's just like a toggle icon. So now that it's done, you want to hit done and go home. So you go to an open home screen and you go to add a widget. And there you see Switches right there. So you click on it, and now you'll get a settings menu. So in the general settings, when you tap on the widget on the home screen, you can enable it so you get haptic feedback of vibration, so you know when you're touching the widget, which I recommend because the widget's a little slow sometimes and you won't know if you touched it or not, and you always want to know, like, you don't want to touch it again and you're toggling data, and you toggle data on and off. In the button amount, you can choose between 5 buttons, 6 buttons, or 7 buttons. So you can have 7 widgets to toggle. Now you can choose your specific button for each little widget. So you have a choice of an APN toggle, an auto rotate toggle, Bluetooth toggle, brightness toggle, GPS toggle, which is only a shortcut because the widgets cannot toggle GPS. You can choose to add a widget to keep your screen always on. You can choose a silent widget, a sync widget, and a Wi-Fi widget. And in all these buttons, you can choose individually for each button that you add to your little widget. So just configure it here really fast. Do brightness, and we'll do 5 for tutorial sake. So once you're done configuring your little widgets, it has an airplane mode widget. You can choose what airplane mode toggles. As you see right there, it says you can choose to have Bluetooth toggled off when you turn airplane mode on, and same with Wi-Fi. So when you go down, you can choose the settings for the screen brightness timeout, and you can go anywhere from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. For silent settings, you can make it so when you go from normal to silent, that it goes straight to silent and there's no vibrate. And you can make it so when you go from silent to vibrate, that it stays on silent. And the last APN setting is that you can toggle MMS on when APN is off. So once you've got all your settings set up, you just hit the back button, and it'll create the little widget for you down there on the home screen. So just like anything else, you can drag it anywhere you want, put it on any 5 of your home screens, sorry. So to toggle things, you just tap on it, and there's a brightness toggle. So in the brightness toggle, I don't know if you could see, but it has presets. The presets are 0, 25, 50, 75, and 100. So instead of dragging a bar, it gives you presets, and I kind of like that better because you can't get it exact when you're dragging a bar to go from 0 to 100. But here it gives you the very basic, and it's fast, so you just click 0, and then you see, turns my brightness down. Keep it at 50. Then you see I have a toggle Wi-Fi, airplane mode, rotation, and screen brightness again, because I set screen brightness on both of them. You can set the whole thing screen brightness if you wanted to. You could set any of these, any of you want, as I showed before. So this widget is developed by IWH Mello at ModMyMoto, and I'll have a link in the sub bar below where you can get to the page on ModMyMoto, and I'll also have a link where you can download this from your computer. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you next time.